Hello my dear students. In this video lecture, we will talk about how we can learn the concept of balancing of redox reaction. Students, this balancing is far different from previous class balancing. Means whatever we did in class 10, it is just opposite or just different from that balancing, correct? It's not similar, we can say, correct now. So for balancing of redox reaction, uh, we will focus on two method. Number one, ion electron method, and number two, oxidation number change method. As it is clear by name, ion electron method is for ionic reaction and ox number change method for non-ionic reaction. So further we will classify ion electron method into two category: balancing of redox reaction in acidic medium and in basic medium. Correct, students? So in this scenario, we can explain by case 1, case 2 and case 3. And in case 1 we will talk about balancing of redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. In my next video lecture we will talk about basic medium balancing and further ox number change method, correct? So students, when you will see in the NCERT, here there big or huge paragraph, huge lines for different steps which are involved in balancing are mentioned, but we do not go for that line or that stanza. We will make our own stanza, own sentence, and with the help of this we will design the balancing setup, correct? Suppose one question is there and we have to balance this equation, and how we can use different step which is involved in NCERT book or different refresher, but we will not use that platform, correct? We will make our own. So here I written different lines like, dear, please divide and balance the atoms of oxygen and hydrogen which are getting charged and balance them. What is the mean? Here nothing but there are various steps: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5. What we will do in step 1? In step 1, divide is the we will focus on divide. Means first of all we will divide the given redox reaction into two equal half, correct? One is ox half and second is red half, or oxidation half and reduction half. In second step we will balance the atom which are getting oxidized and reduced, correct? After balancing that atom, we will balance oxygen atom by adding suitable number of water molecule to that side where oxygen atoms are less, correct? After balancing oxygen, we will balance hydrogen atom by adding suitable number of H plus ion, as H plus ion indicates it is base acidic medium. So after balancing of oxygen, we have to balance hydrogen atom by adding suitable number of H plus ion to that side where less number of H atoms are present, correct? After balancing oxygen and hydrogen, we will see charge of that particular side, left side or right side. Means among like arrow is there, suppose left side some charge and right side of arrow there is some charge. So we will see charge and we will balance that charge by adding suitable number of electron to that side where charge is more. So students, it's all about step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 which are involved in balancing. So I can repeat this concept with this example. In this example, here MnO4 minus C2O4 2 minus gives CO2 plus Mn2 plus, and H plus is indicating it is what? It is acidic medium, correct? So I have one redox reaction. In this redox reaction, one species is oxidizing and other species is reducing, correct? So no need to focus which one is oxidizing or which one is reducing, correct? So because the reaction is here and I have to balance it, so I will follow different steps which are involved in the balancing, correct? So sorry. In step 1, what we have to do? Dear, please divide. Divide means I will divide this equation into two equal half. First MnO4 to Mn and C2O4 to CO2. Correct? It is two equal half. First side belongs to MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus, and second side belongs to C2O4 2 minus to CO2. Correct? Now in step 2, what we have to do? In step 2, dear, please divide is done, and balance the atom. Means I have to balance that atom which are undergoing oxidation or reduction. So here check Mn to Mn and carbon to carbon. Correct? See here Mn1, here also Mn1, means in the left or right side of the arrow, the number of Mn is 1, here number of Mn is 2. Don't see the charge, right? Charge we will see in step 5. Correct? Here what is the number of carbon? Here carbon is 2 and here carbon is 1. So I placed 2 before right side of this CO2. Are you getting me? I'm telling you, in second step I have to balance that atom which are undergoing oxidation or reduction. See here Mn is 1, here Mn is 1, here carbon is 2, here carbon is 1. So in second step I put this 2 in front of carbon dioxide, so that now carbon is 2 here and here also number of carbon is 2. So I cleared my step 2 till here. Correct? One more thing, students, here don't balance oxygen or hydrogen in step 2. Except oxygen and hydrogen we will balance other atoms. Correct? Because in step 3 and 4 we will balance oxygen and hydrogen. Correct now? So in step 2 we will not consider oxygen and hydrogen. Correct? So in step 3 we have to balance oxygen atom. So how we can balance oxygen atom? For balancing the oxygen atom, we have to add suitable number of water molecule. Means we will add H2O molecule to which side? To that side where oxygen atoms are less. See here in step 2, Mn is already balanced. Now it is 4 oxygen. Here 0 oxygen. So what I will do in step 3? I will add 4 water molecule. That means I am adding 4 oxygen. This 4 H2O means I am adding in step 3 4 oxygen. So check, number of oxygen is 4, number of oxygen is 4. Correct? It is done. In step 3 we will balance oxygen atom by adding number of water molecule. Suppose it is 3 MnO3 minus, suppose. So I will add plus 3 H2O. Suppose it is 6 oxygen. So I will add 6 H2O. Correct? Are you getting me now? It is very clear and very interesting. Correct? So here check number of, we will do same thing with next side. Number of oxygen is how much? 4. Correct? Don't see charge. I'm telling you, charge is not important. Charge is important in step 5, not here. So here oxygen is 4. Here check number of oxygen, 2 into 2 4. So no need to balance oxygen here because oxygen is already balanced by this factor. Correct? The number of carbon is 2, number of oxygen is 4. Number of carbon is 2, number of oxygen is 4. Correct? So in step 4, after balancing of oxygen, we will balance H atom, means hydrogen atom. Correct? So after balancing oxygen, check number of hydrogen. So here students 0 hydrogen, here 4 into 2 8 hydrogen. That's why we have to add H plus ion to that side where less number of H atom are present. Means to balance H atom we will add hydrogen plus ion, H plus ion to that side where less number of H atoms are present. So students, in step 4 I added actually 8 H plus ion because here number of hydrogen are 4 into 2 8. So in this side 8 H are extra. So to balance this H atom, I will come in step 4, and in step 4 I will add 8H plus ion. What I will do? I will add 8 H plus ion, correct? So in step 4 we have to balance H atom. We have to balance H atom. See here, number of H atom in second side, number of H atom is 0, here 0. So no need to balance anything, correct? So in step 5 what we will do? We will balance charge. Charged balance means we will balance charge. See charge first of all. Here charge is -1 and +8. Charge is equal to +7. We will see charge. So here number of MnO4 is 1 and charge is -1. So total charge is -1. Here number of H plus is 8 and plus charge is there. So 8 multiplied by plus, answer is 8 plus, correct? So answer is total +7. Here 2 plus charge, here charge is 0. Here -2 charge, -2 charge, here charge is 0, so I return 0. So students, now I will balance this charge because charge is not balanced. Here +7, +2, here -2 and here 0. So for balancing the charge, I will add suitable number of electron to that side where charge is more, and that amount which is more than this, correct? So here +2 and +7. Which one is more? Answer is +7. How many times it is more? Answer is 5 times. +2 is lesser than +7 5 times. So I will add +5 electrons so that this 5 electron will neutralize this +7 out of +5 charge from this +7. So now charge is +2 and +2. How I did? See here charge is +2, here charge is +7, correct? So I have to equal this charge. So how I can balance this charge? By adding suitable number of electron. Here charge is 5 times more than this. +7 is 5 times more than +2. So I added +5 electron to that side where charge is more, correct? Here -2 and 0. Which one is greater? Answer is 0. How much time it is greater? Answer is 2 times. So that I have to add 2 electron to this side where charge is more, correct? Now my duty is over. Now I will come to the conclusion. So what is the here? MnO4, 8H plus. Now charge is balanced, so I ignored, and plus 5 electron. See in right side, Mn2 plus 4H2O, correct? One line is there. Second line, C2O4 2 minus gives 2CO2 plus charge is balanced 2 electron. So students, now I have to balance electron again, correct now? So here 5 electron, here 2 electron. So what I will do? I will multiply by cross multiplication actually. Here 2, here 5, so here I will multiply by 5, and here I will multiply by how much? It is 2, correct? So now check. After multiplying by 2, electron will be cancelled. So this is 2 MnO4 minus. See, this is 16H plus after multiplying by 2. This is 2 Mn2 plus, and this is 4 into 2 8H2O. Now after multiplying by 5, it will become 5 C2O4 2 minus and 5 into 2, that is 10 CO2. So students, now it is complete balanced form. So once again I have one more trick to check whether the steps are correct or not, which I done from my side. So here charge is -2. We will take sum of charges, correct? Here charge is +16. How +16? 2 multiplied by minus, answer is -2. +16 multiplied by plus, it is +16, correct? And -5 into 2 minus 10. So answer is how much? Answer is total plus, we can take sum. Here total answer is +4 na? 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into +2, answer is +4. There's just no charge. So here -2 and -10, -12, and +16 -12, answer is +4. So my balancing steps are exactly clear. there is no doubt because now charge are balanced, correct? So I have one more example I can discuss in detail. See, I have to balance Cr2O7 2 minus plus Fe2 plus give in presence of H plus they are producing Cr3 plus and Fe3 plus. So students, as in we did in step 1, first of all, we will divide the equation into two equal half, Cr2O7 Cr3 plus Fe2 plus Fe3 plus, correct? Now I will balance the atom which are undergoing oxidation and reduction. So here Cr2O7 2 minus and Cr3 plus Fe and Fe. Students, here Fe and number of Fe both side is 1. So it is already balanced. But here total chromium atoms are 2 and here total chromium atoms are 1. So I put 2 in front of Cr3 plus. Now it is clear why and how I have to balance the atom. After balancing the atom, I have to balance number of oxygen atom by adding suitable number of water molecule to that side where water molecule are less, where oxygen atom are less, correct? So here 7H2O, 7 oxygen, so I have to add 7H2O because here oxygen atoms are 0. Here no oxygen, correct? So after, why I added 7H2O? Because oxygen atom are 7. Or to balance oxygen atom, I will do I will go for 7H2O molecule to that side where O atom are less. After balancing O atom, I have to balance H atom, correct? So here total hydrogen atom are 14, 7 into 2 it is 14. So in this side where H are less, H are 0 actually, I have to add plus 14 H plus, correct? Now it is clear now. Now here no hydrogen, no oxygen, so as it is, it will be like this. So in next step, what I have to see the charge, correct? So here minus 2 and plus 14, answer is plus 12. Here charge is 2 into 3, answer is plus 6, correct? And here plus 2 and plus 3. Now what my next duty? I have to balance the charge by adding electron to that side where charge are more. So here plus 12 and plus 6, which one is greater? Answer is plus 12 is 6 times greater than plus 6. So what I will do? I will add 6 electron to this side so that they will become equal, and 1 electron to this side so that they will become equal. Here plus 2 and plus 3 minus 1 it is plus 2, correct? Now got it? Now again I will arrange the equation in the form of equation. See, Cr2O7 2 minus 14H plus plus 6 electron, here 2 Cr3 plus and 7H2O, charge are balanced. And in this equation Fe2 plus gives Fe3 plus plus 1 electron, charge are balanced after adding the electron. So students, now what I will do? I will balance these electron. Here 6 electron, here 1 electron. So my duty is, if I will multiply by 6, the factor 6, if I will multiply by 6, this electron will be now cancel. So now it is Cr2O7 14H plus and 6 Fe2 plus, correct? After multiplying by 6. Next 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O and 6 Fe3 plus. So again I can check whether it is correct or not. So see here, charge is minus 2 and the charge next is plus 14 and next is plus 12, correct? See here, 2 into 3 plus 6 plus 6 into 3 plus 18. So here answer is total plus 24. Here check, answer minus 2 and minus plus 14 plus 12 it is plus 26 and minus 2 it is plus 24. Means students, it is again correct and we did correctly our balancing, correct? So it's all about balancing of redox reaction in acidic medium for ion electron method. Means we balance the redox reaction using ion electron method and the medium is acidic medium. In my next video lecture we will talk about balancing by ion electron method used in in basic medium. So students, for this practice is must. I will provide so many questions as practice problem and you have to attempt that questions and you have to go for balancing step by step. First of all, learn the step using this stanza, correct? Dear, please divide means we have to divide into two equal half, and balance the atom means we have to balance that atom which are undergoing oxidation and reduction. Next oxygen, we after balancing atom we will balance oxygen atom by adding suitable number of H2O molecule to that side where H atom are less. After oxygen we will balance hydrogen atom. So what is for this what is this here? We will balance H atom by adding suitable number of H plus ion to that side where less number of H plus ions, H atoms are present. And after this we will balance charge. So how we can balance? By adding suitable number of molecule, suitable number of electron actually, suitable number of electron to that side where charge is more. So it's all about balancing. You can use this statement, you can check this, you can review the concept again and again, and you can watch this video at least two, three times. You at least you should, so that you will be you will feel strong to yourself in this concept. So till then we will meet again. So now I would like to thank you for watching me, and you can clear your doubt by comment me or by texting me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.